Today in this video, we're discussing the opening sizes of containers for our silk flower arrangements. Welcome back to Flower Friday, my friends. I am gearing up for our silk flower round arrangement masterclass that's happening in just a few weeks. And I'm already recording some videos explaining about all of the different containers and what to look for when you're choosing your own containers. But I thought I would share a little tip with you. This is the tip I'm giving them when it comes to choosing a container and looking at the mouth or the opening of your container. And if you're wanting to join us, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. But we're going to be mastering a round arrangement using silk flowers. The opening of your container determines how many flowers are going to go in the container. The larger the container opening, the more flowers you're going to need. I think that a lot of beginners, they look at their flowers and they look at their container and they think that something's wrong with the flowers, that they didn't have enough or whatever, but they didn't realize is the container opening. It's really the container that might be causing the problems. And some beginners, they look at the container opening and they think, oh, well, it's just a little bit wider, but they've failed to understand that mathematically, every inch increases the surface area much more than they realize. If you can look at, say, a 3-inch opening of a container and you're looking at a 6-inch opening on a container, you're thinking, well, it should just be double in size, but it's not. It's literally 4 times the surface area than the 3-inch. And suddenly you need a lot more flowers than you anticipate. But just to give you a general rule of thumb, and it will vary depending on your flower head sizes, a 3-inch container is going to have about 8 to 12 cuts. Okay, a 4-inch container is going to have about 12 to 18 cuts, and a 5-inch container is going to have about 18 to 25 cuts. Now, what is a cut? Okay, so this is a bush. You know, there were more stems on it. This to me is a stem, and then this is a cut, right? So when I say that a 3-inch container could potentially hold 8 to 12 cuts, you're thinking of a larger flower head on top as well, taking up some space above the foam where you insert. So hopefully those measurements are just going to be a general guideline for you to kind of help you choose your flowers. So if you are new at this and you're wanting to get started, I encourage you to stick within the 3 to 5-inch opening. What that's going to do is, number one, it's probably going to be less expensive on the container. It's going to be less expensive because you're going to need less flowers, right? It's less intimidating. You're going to have easier mechanics. You're going to finish the design faster. And honestly, it's going to help you build your confidence faster. Because once you start mastering the smaller containers, right, moving on to the larger containers, it just becomes so much more predictable and easier at that point. I hope you found this information useful. I know when I first started making arrangements, I never considered the opening, and it got me stuck every time until I figured that part out. So hopefully this was something that resonated with you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me. I'm going to leave the link to our round arrangements masterclass in the description. You can see if it's a good fit for you. And then let me know if you have any questions. Thumbs up if you like content like this. Okay, and I will see you next time, my friend.